Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study the first chapter of geometry, that is similarity. In last lecture of similarity, we have learned that the property of angle bisector of a triangle. Now, do you know what is meant by property of angle bisector of a triangle? What is the property of angle bisector of a triangle? The bisector of angle of a triangle. The bisector of angle of a triangle divides the side opposite to angle in the ratio of remaining sides. This is the property of angle bisector of a triangle. Now in this period we are going to study about the property of three parallel lines and their transversal. The property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Now what is meant by the property of three parallel lines and their transversal? What is this? The ratio of intercepts made on transversal by the three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of corresponding intercepts on any other transversal by the same parallel line. This is known as the property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Again, the ratio of intercepts made by three parallel lines on a transversal is equal to the ratio of corresponding intercepts made on any other transversal by the same parallel line. This is known as the property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Now let us study the property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Now I am going to draw the figure according to given information here in the statement. The ratio of intercepts made on a transversal by the three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of corresponding intercepts made on any other transversal by the same parallel line. Now I am going to draw the three parallel lines. Three parallel lines. And these are the two transversals. Now friends, here I have drawn three parallel lines and there are two transversals. This is the figure according to the given information. The ratio of intercepts made on a transversal by the three parallel lines. These are the three parallel lines. Line L, M and N are the three parallel lines, and line X and Y are their transversals. Line X intersect to them at point A, B, C, and line Y intersect to them at point P, Q, R respectively. Now I am going to write the given. Yes. Line L is parallel to line M, is parallel to line L. These are the three parallel lines. Line L is parallel to line M, is parallel to line N. And which are their transversals? Line X and Y are their transversals. Line X and Y are their transversals. Right. They intersect them at point A, B, C and P, Q, R respectively. They intersect them. The lines X and Y intersects the lines L, M and N at points A, B, C and P, Q, R respectively. Right. Now to prove. What we want to prove? We want to prove that the ratio of intercepts made on a transversal. AB and BC are the ratio. Sorry, AB and BC are the intercepts made by three parallel lines LMN on the first transversal X. Line X and Y are the transversal and line LMN are the three parallel lines. Then which are the intercepts? AB and BC are the intercepts. Then what is their ratio? AB by BC is their ratio. Understand? Line L is parallel to M is parallel to N and line S and Y are their transversal. Then we say that AB and BC are the transversal. The ratio of intercepts made on a transversal by three parallel lines. These are the intercepts AB and BC. Now I am taking here ratio of intercepts. AB divided by BC. This is the ratio of intercept made on the first transversal is equal to the ratio of intercepts made on the second transversal. What is the ratio of intercept made on second transversal? PQ by QR is the ratio of intercepts made on the second transversal. PQ divided by QR. Right. For that, friends, the property of three parallel lines at the transversal. This property is the application of BPT. For that, we must know the triangle and a line is parallel to a side of a triangle, intersecting other sides into distinct points. But here is no any triangle. Now for that, I am going to do some construction here. I am going to draw seg AR. Draw seg AR. Draw seg AR, which intersect line M at point S. At point S. Right. Draw seg AR, which intersects line M at point S. Line M at point S. Right. Now proof. The proof of this is very easy. Now I want to find AB by BC. Here in triangle ACR, line say BSC is parallel to side CR. Then by the BPT we say that AB by BC is equals to AS by SR. First of all, we want to find out the ratio of first, means AB by BC. AB by BC. To find AB by BC, I want to use here BPT theorem. In triangle ACR, say BC is parallel to side CR. Then by the BPT we say that AB by BC is equals to AS by SR. Now in triangle ACR, seg BS is parallel to side CR. Seg BS is parallel to side SR. Why seg BS is parallel to side CR? Sorry, side CR. Because it is here given here in the given. Line M and N are parallel. If lines are parallel, then segments included them are also parallel. Then we say that seg BS is parallel to side CR. I have written here seg BS is parallel to side CR. Right. Here is given. Given here in the given. Understand? Now by the BPT basic proportional theorem, we say that AB divided by BC is equals to AS divided by SR. This is the statement number first. AB divided by BC is equals to AS by SR is the statement number first. Now I want to find out the value of PQ by QR according to PPT. First of all, I have find out the value of AB by BC. AB by BC by the PPT, we say that AB by BC is equals to AS by SR. Now I want to find out the value of PQ by QR, the value of this ratio PQ by QR. Understand? To find the PQ by QR, I must take another triangle, that is RPA or APR triangle. In triangle APR, PQ by QR. In triangle APR. Which segment is parallel to which side? Seg SQ is parallel to side AP. Why? Because line L and M parallel. Who said this? Line L is parallel to M. Here in the given line L and M are parallel. If two lines are parallel, then segments included them are also parallel. Then we say that seg SQ is parallel to side AP. Seg SQ is parallel to side AP. Who said this? It is given here in the given. Line M is parallel to N. L is parallel to M. That's why we say that seg SQ is parallel to AP. Right? Therefore, by the PPT, we say that we get the ratio PQ by QR. PQ by QR equal to AS by SR. AS by SR. This is step number second. PQ by QR equal to AS by SR. This is step number second. Now, the value of first AB by BC is AS by SR, and the value of second ratio PQ by QR is also AS by SR. Means from first and second, their right hand sides are equal. Therefore, we say that their left hand sides are equal. Therefore, from first and second, we say that AB by BC equal to PQ divided by QR. Right. Hence, we have proved the property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Right. Friends, pause this video screen and write the theorem. Now, by heart this statement, by heart this theorem, by heart this property, and try to write the proof of this property 2 to 3 times. Thank you.